When you think of some of the most mind-blowing animals in the world, what comes to mind? Is it the massive blue whale, or perhaps the tiny shrew? Maybe you're thinking of something more fantastical like a unicorn or a griffin. Well, nature really is wild, and these animals are living proof. These 8 real animals look too weird to be true. No, 8 glass frogs. Have you ever come across an animal so bizarre that you immediately question whether it's real or not? If not, just wait until you see this one. Imagine hopping on a tree after a long day of frolicking around in the forest, when suddenly you see something peculiar. You spot a small frog with transparent skin underneath its belly. Sounds absurd, right? Well, believe it or not, it's a reality. These little guys are known as glass frogs. They're basically frogs with see-through undersides. But why do they have this special ability? According to National Geographic, their translucent undersides help camouflage them while they're resting during the day. Their see-through bellies make it easier for them to blend in with their surroundings, helping them avoid daytime predators. But if you happen to be a predator yourself, the glass frog's see-through undersides also serve as a handy tool for hunting. You see, their see-through undersides allow them to sneak up on their unsuspecting prey without being detected. Talk about a clever adaptation. And if you thought that was impressive, just wait until you hear about this next one. Number 7. The pink dolphin. Dolphins are some of the most graceful and intelligent creatures in the ocean. They're known for their intelligence, playfulness, and friendliness to humans. But did you know that there's a rare dolphin that stands out from the rest? Meet the pink dolphin, a creature that looks straight out of a fantasy novel. Unlike their oceanic cousins, the pink dolphin has pale, almost white skin. But wait, there's more. It can change color from gray to white to pink. This unique characteristic sets it apart from other dolphins, and has earned it the nickname the Barbie doll of the sea. But the pink dolphin's unusual appearance isn't just for show. It's actually a remarkable adaptation that helps it survive in its environment. The reddish color helps hide its outline, making it harder for predators like sharks to spot it. And if you thought that was neat, just wait until you see this next one. Number 6. Red lory. When it comes to the animal kingdom, Mother Nature sure knows how to surprise us. Take the red lory, for instance. Just hearing its name might make you picture a vehicle zooming down a highway. But no, we're talking about a real live bird that's just as eye-catching as its namesake. Originally found in South America, this bird is named for its striking red plumage, which honestly is so vibrant it looks like it's been airbrushed. And don't even get us started on its bulky stature, which gives it the appearance of a miniature dinosaur. But the red lorikeet's unique looks aren't just for show. Its striking coloration is actually a way of showing dominance and attracting mates. Seriously, talk about a showstopper. But if you thought that was amazing, just wait until you see this next one. Number 5. Goblin shark. Living deep in the dark depths of the ocean is a shark that looks straight out of a scary movie. Yep, we're talking about the goblin shark. This shark's appearance is so bizarre that many people who see it for the first time think it's a hoax. With its long, pointy snout and protruding jaws, it definitely doesn't look like your typical shark. But the goblin shark's unique appearance isn't just for show. It's actually an adaptation that helps it hunt its prey. The goblin shark's jaws are so flexible that it can extend them out like a slingshot to catch unsuspecting prey. And its large, dark eyes help it see in the darkest depths of the ocean. Talk about a fearsome predator. But if you thought that was scary, just wait until you see this next one. Number 4. Axolotl. When you hear the word salamander, what comes to mind? Maybe you're thinking of a slimy, lizard-like creature that lives under logs in a forest. Well, if that's the case, you're not alone. But did you know that there's a type of salamander that looks like nothing else in its species? Enter the axolotl. This little guy looks like a mix between a salamander and a puppy with its big, soulful eyes and playful grin. But don't let its cuteness fool you. The axolotl is a fierce predator that's not afraid to take on anything that enters its territory. The axolotl is also known for its incredible healing abilities. It can regenerate limbs, spinal cord injuries, and even parts of its heart. Now that's what we call a true superhero. But if you thought that was impressive, just wait until you see this next one. No, 3. Star-nosed mole. Moles are typically known for their sleek, slender bodies and tiny beady eyes. But not all moles are created equal. Take the star-nosed mole. For instance, this little guy looks like a cross between a mole and a starfish with its long pointed nose that has a bunch of fleshy appendages sticking out of it. But the star-nosed mole's unique nose isn't just for show. It's actually a highly sensitive organ that helps it find food in the dark. Each of the star-nosed mole's nose hairs contains a nerve ending that can detect even the slightest vibrations. This allows the mole to feel its way through the soil and locate worms and other small creatures to eat. Talk about a superpower. But if you thought that was impressive, just wait until you see this next one. No. 2. Saiga antelope. Saiga antelopes are relatively small mammals with short legs and big brown eyes. Their fur is a sandy color and their ears are round. But the most striking thing about them is definitely their huge, bulbous noses, which honestly look like they've been ripped off of someone else. But the Saiga antelope's funny-looking nose isn't just for show. It's actually an adaptation that helps them survive in their environment. The saiga antelope lives in dry, grassy plains, where it feeds on plants. But it also needs to be able to filter out dust from the air while it's grazing. Its unique nose acts as a filter, helping to remove dust and other particles from the air before they can reach its lungs. So next time you see a yoga antelope, take a moment to appreciate its hard work. But if you thought that was impressive, just wait until you see this next one. Number 1. Frilled shark. Sharks are typically known for their sleek, streamlined bodies. But not all sharks are created equal. Take the frilled shark, for instance. This little guy looks like a mix between a shark and a jellyfish, with its long, thin body and frilly fins. But the frilled shark's unique appearance isn't just for show. It's actually an adaptation that helps it survive in its environment. The frilled shark lives deep in the ocean where it feeds on small fish and squid. Its frilly fins help it move through the water with ease, allowing it to chase down its prey. So don't be fooled by its goofy looks. The frilled shark is a true master of its environment. Well, there you have it, folks. From the bizarre to the beautiful, these animals are truly one of a kind. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and remember, nature is wild.